Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vibha and I'm your study abroad coach. Over the years, I have guided many students fulfilling their dream to study in the United Kingdom and Ireland. And today, I'm so excited to take you on a journey to one of the most beautiful, welcoming, and opportunity filled countries in the world, Ireland. So, Ireland is often called the Emerald Isle because of its stunning green landscapes. Ireland's capital city is Dublin, which is famous not only for its culture, history, and also known as a global tech hub. Ireland's official languages are Irish, also known as Gaelic, and English, which makes it easier for international students to adapt. Ireland's currency is euro, and here is a fun fact: Ireland is ranked as one of the friendliest countries in the world. Truly, it's a place where you instantly feel at home. Now, let's talk a little bit about history and culture. Ireland has a very rich Celtic heritage filled with myths, castles, and folklore. This is the land of St. Patrick's Day. Lively Irish music and dance, and some of the greatest writers in history like James Joyce, Oscar Wilde, and W.B. Yeats. And if you love traveling, you cannot miss the iconic landmarks like Cliffs of Moher, Giant's Causeway, and countless ancient castles spread across the country. But why is Ireland becoming such a popular choice for students? Well, it is home to world class universities such as TCD, Trinity College Dublin, UCD, University College Dublin, and NUIG, National University of Ireland in Galway. On top of that, Ireland is known as the tech capital of Europe, with global companies like Google, Facebook, and Apple having their European headquarters here. This creates massive opportunities for Indian students. The best part is Ireland offers part-time work options and post-study, stay back visa, which is 2 years, which allows graduates to gain valuable work experience after completing their studies. And let me tell you, the Irish people are incredibly warm, supportive, and welcoming towards international students, which makes the journey even more comfortable. Apart from academics, the lifestyle in Ireland is something you will absolutely love. Imagine driving along the breathtaking wild Atlantic Way, enjoying the rolling green hills, lakes, and coastal views. Irish pubs are not just about the drinks, they are cultural hubs where music, storytelling, and laughter fill the air. Food lovers will enjoy traditional dishes like Irish stew, soda bread, and delicious seafood chowder. On top of it all, Ireland is known as one of the safest and most peaceful countries, making it ideal not only for students but also for families. So, whether you're planning to study, travel, or just explore, Ireland truly is a hidden gem. It offers the perfect balance of tradition, modern opportunities, and natural beauty. If you are dreaming of studying abroad, Ireland might be, your dream destination. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so that you can get my upcoming videos on study abroad tips and real life inspirations. Thank you so much.